Okay, hang on. Can we stop the slideshow? Hi. I'm sorry to interrupt the beautiful slideshow. It's just that it was feeling a little hoity-toity, and I don't want you to get the wrong idea about what Savory Sounds is. You see, the whole point of the Savory Sounds concert series is to take this beautiful classic music out of the stuffy concert hall and experience it in a casual environment where you can just sit back and relax and enjoy it in a whole new way. And then we pair it with some fantastic food, so you can listen to Italian arias at the same time that you sample Italian cuisine. You know, enjoy French melody while you indulge in French pastry. Why satisfy just one of your senses at a time? Anyway, that's the basic idea. Sorry to interrupt again. I hope you join us, and you can get back to that really gorgeous slideshow. Thanks.